Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Childhood Trauma Questionnaire assessment. So what is a childhood trauma questionnaire? Childhood trauma can be immensely distressing and debilitating, and can have lasting effects right through until adulthood. The Childhood Trauma Questionnaire allows mental health care professionals and trauma experts to help create targeted treatments that can alleviate the intensity of trauma. This version is a 70-item revised version and has been condensed into 28 items. The questions revolve around 5 different types of childhood trauma, which are physical abuse, emotional abuse, sexual abuse, physical neglect, and emotional neglect. The questionnaire may take some time due to its distressing content that could be triggering for some. There are a variety of healthcare professionals who can use this, including psychologists, counsellors, therapists, and more. Here's how to use a childhood trauma questionnaire effectively. The first step is to complete the patient information at the top. You'll then need to rate each statement. The final step is to calculate the scores and then consult the tables to interpret the results. To view a sample assessment of a childhood trauma questionnaire, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can access it for free. You can also access the questionnaire on our platform by filtering in the Community tab as well as by assessment. Type in the keywords childhood trauma to find the note faster. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.